Happy day to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. I'm gonna tell you about the wildfire strategy for auditing and FMSM in the last 4.5 days. Why, ma'am? Why are you calling this wildfire? If you see a fire, it can burn down probably a building. A wildfire is one which can burn down an entire city. Now, if I tell you have to have the fire in your belly, you'll probably have it for 1 or 2 days. You have to have a wildfire for the next 1 week, guys. Especially the next 4.5 days. If you just follow this wildfire strategy, I am guaranteeing a 60 plus. I'm not joking here. Guarantee 60 plus, but you just have to give me two things: discipline and consistency in following the strategy. Yes, let us get into the strategy. So basically, today after costing exam, what you have to do, and after that you have 4 full days. I have split 2 days for audit and 2 days for FMSM. Basically, you get 2 bonus days to study auditing, guys. Today, after your costing exam, I don't want you to do much. 5 to 7 p.m. relax. If you want to make your own planner, you can use this time to make your planner. 7 o'clock. Preferably, if you ask me, I will ask you to do FM theory. Or if you think, no ma'am, I've skipped these chapters, I want to revise them quickly. Yes, please study those chapters, things you thought of skipping, or FM theory, or even if you want to do strategic management, you can do one chapter from strategic management. Day 1, that is 13th Jan, 9:15 a.m. I will be coming live with the expected questions marathon for audit. It is going to be a 7 hours power packed marathon where we will be discussing the answers for each of the questions, and I will also be explaining those answers. 7 full hours, no break. 4:15 to 6 p.m. or even 7 p.m. you can have a good break after you finish the marathon, and then in the evening just revise whatever has happened, revision of audit. Now, actually, if you see after the expected question marathon, probably even at 6 o'clock, if you start this, I want you to use like the 1.5 days, and that is the reason why I've given it in brighter yellow. So from here to the next day fully, you have exactly 1.5 days. This is the time usually given for studying audit. So have that mindset when you study this. In this time, you can use my resources, which I will come to that a little later. Then the next day, that is 15th Jan, morning 9:15 a.m. I will again be coming live for the SM expected questions marathon. SM is only for 50 marks. So approximately for about 4 hours, we will be finishing that before lunch. You can peacefully have your lunch, and post lunch, you can start studying for your financial management. Day number 16, morning slot. Now again, if you see from here, after the expected question, from here till the next day fully is your 1.5 days, which you usually get before your exams. Now, if you see the 16th January, day number 4, completely for FMSM, because the next day is your exam. Morning slot. Study SM, revise SM. If you have your own notes, you can use that, or if you want to revise the expected questions again, you can do that as well. And post lunch, go back to FM. Trust me, by this time you would have finished 2 times revision of strategic management. I am guaranteeing that to you, because expected question with me 4 hours, you would have finished entire SM. And again the next morning, even if you start at 7 a.m. till 1 p.m., you can finish entire SM. You'll be doing 2 revisions before you go to the exam. Audit and all 3 revisions. 3 revisions, because here itself in these 2 days, this is one revision, this is one revision, and again before you go for audit exam, you will have that 1.5 days, 3 revisions for audit, I'm telling you. Now, the 16th Jan morning slot, I told you, revise SM, and post lunch, you will be studying your FM. On the day of exam, whatever important formulas you have, or keywords that you've written somewhere, or summary notes, 1 page for each chapter, if you have, go through that. RTP, MTP, this is like your buffer time to finish whatever you want. And these resources are like gift from me to you, which I told you that I will share. With respect to audit, there is the exemption marathon for revising quick concepts, 22 hours power packed. You cannot watch the entire marathon right now. What you can do is whatever standards you want more clarity, you can use this marathon to quickly finish those standards. LDR audit marathon for workout. If you want specific workout chapters, the timestamps is there. You can use that and do the LDR marathon only for those chapters. And yes, expected questions are available for audit and for strategic management. Yes, guys, like I told, I will see you all live tomorrow morning with the audit expected questions marathon. And yes, guys, all the very best. Let's do it together. Keep that fire burning. And like I said, it's not just fire, it is wildfire. All the very best, guys.